Hey, Elle. What's you doing, girl? Ellie! Yay, Ellie. Are you having fun? See, look at me, look at me. Yay! Come on, Ellie, let's play. Yay! Yay! She's a playful thing. We're getting snowed in here in Cincinnati, and Ellie likes the snow. She's showing a lot of spirit for an old girl. Hey, Ellie, what do you think? What's Sam doing? Yay! There's Sam. Ellie, what do you think of the snow? Say hi, Mom. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. Oh, she's having a good time. She likes the snow. Boy, we're going to sleep all afternoon after this. Come on back this way. Yay. Yay. This is fun. Yay. Elle. Yay.